everyone, welcome to my Kue channel. So today I'm gonna make a melon pan. Have you ever had a melon pan before? A melon pan is a bread with a cookie surface in a shape of a melon. It's a very popular pastry in Japan, and there are even shops specializing in melon pan. But it's not actually made from melon. And so there are many theories about the origin of the name, but most famous one is it looks like a melon. Yeah, I think so. So this bread is very difficult to make because there are many steps. But this time I will show you how to make it easily with bread. So, okay, let's get started.
So, here are the simple ingredients for today. So, 15 grams of butter brought to room temperature. You can use either unsalted or salted. And 1 tablespoon of sugar. And 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. And 1 sliced white bread. So okay, if the ingredients are simple, the recipe is also very simple. So first, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and then mix all the ingredients together until there are no lumps. So after mixing for a while, the mixture will gradually come together like a cookie dough. So, okay, the ingredients came together nicely. So next, spread this melon pan cookies dough on the bread. So spread the dough evenly over the surface. However, if the dough is too hard, add a little butter to smooth it out. And cut a slit in the surface like a melon pan. So okay, it's ready. So bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius until the bread is lightly brown, or for about 10 minutes. So okay, 10 minutes has passed. So let's check the melon pan.
Looks good. 美味しそう。
So okay, my breakfast is ready.
じゃーん、できました。メロンパン。Smell is really メロンパンだね。めっちゃ美味しそうな香りする。So okay, let's begin. いただきます。It's my breakfast. めっちゃ香ばしい。Taste is perfectly メロンパン。これマジでメロンパンだ。めっちゃサクサクしてる。なんか出来たてのメロンパンを食べる機会ってそんなにないから、この温かいメロンパンを食べれるのって貴重かも。お家でめっちゃ簡単にできるしね。I ate all. It was so delicious. 美味しかった。ごちそうさまでした。I'm satisfied. So okay, if you enjoyed my video, please give me the thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!